Today we're making restaurant style bread, except this time it's going to be a little bit different. My sister.
Hello. I'm going to show you how to make some bread today. I lined up all the ingredients. It's pretty simple. We have flour, sugar, oil, salt, yeast through the packets, that's okay. And so to start, we're going to use the yeast and the sugar and a little bit of warm water. We're going to dissolve the yeast and the sugar in 2 1/4 cups of warm water. 1 teaspoon, 2 1/4. So we're going to set this aside for now. And we're going to get into the flour, sugar, and salt mixture. We're going to do 3 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to add 3 cups of flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, but you can also use bread flour. It doesn't really matter. So we're going to level it off with a knife so it's nice and smooth. 2 more like that. Whisk that flour, sugar, and salt mixture, yeast mixture into the flour. We're gonna add an additional 1/2 cup at a time. So what I like to do is I'll fill up a cup so I know what I have, like how I've been doing. I'll sprinkle in about 1/2 of that cup, leave it on the side just so we slowly mix everything in. So we're gonna do 3 more cups, but do 1/2 cup at a time, just slowly combining everything. And we're gonna add the next. You can add more or less 1/2 to a full cup extra if it's a little too sticky. You want it to be tacky, but you don't want it to be too dry at the same time. Sprinkle a little more flour. We're gonna put a little bit of oil in our big bowl. You're just gonna rub that oil all around, kind of coat the bowl. So we're gonna take the bread, nice kneaded loaf. It should still be a little tacky, not too floury. Push it down and you're gonna flip it so there's oil on all of the loaf. Okay, I'm gonna get some saran wrap or a towel, anything like that. You're gonna cover it fully, and you're gonna place it in a nice, cool, dry, or warm place. We're gonna leave it there for 2 hours and let it rise. So it's been 2 hours, and as you can see, our dough has doubled in size. So let's take off the plastic wrap. Next, I'm gonna punch it down. Punch, flatten it out a little bit, and then we're gonna cut it in half. It makes 2 loaves of bread. We're gonna break the dough in 2 pieces. And we're gonna form it into a loaf. Place it in the pan, form it into a loaf. We're gonna cover them both up for another 1.5 hours and let them rise again. Stay tuned. Now the bread has risen, we're gonna take off the top. I set the oven to 350 degrees, 375 degrees if you have a older oven. I'm gonna set them in. 1, 2. This thing is ready. Nice and golden brown on the top. Alright, so we'll take them out, let them cool.
I post videos weekly. Make sure to like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a video. Stay safe, guys.